What the heck are you doing? I'm dragging in Excel. I need 1000 numbers here. Aha, but you don't need to. There is a better way. What? Tell me more. So instead of writing 1 and 2 and then dragging these forever, we can use the sequence function in Excel. This new function, if you say I want a sequence of 1000, it will give you all the numbers in this range here. This sequence function is a new feature of Excel and it works in Excel 365 as well as Excel Online. And if you want the numbers to go across the screen instead of down, you can say sequence and the default is rows. So we're going to say comma 1000 and they will go across the screen like this. And if you want the numbers in a grid like this, you can also use sequence like this. Sequence, let's say you want 100 numbers, 10 comma 10. And when you hit enter, you'll get all the 100 numbers 1 to 10 going like this. But what if I need to have a prefix before, like INV for the invoice numbers? That is easy. Let me show you. To add a prefix like invoice or something else, you can say equal to and in double quotes INV and then ampersand sequence 1000. This is going to generate all the 1000 invoice numbers for you in this format neatly. Here is a little bit of an advanced tip. Instead of seeing this number like this, you may want to see the numbers as INV 0001, INV 0002 like that. To do this, we can take the sequence function and send it to another function that prefixes or pads zeros as needed. This is where the text function comes in. We can say text, take my sequence and format it in 4 zeros format. Now you'll get INV 0001 like that all the way up to 1000. Okay, but what about dates? What if I want all the dates of 2025 here? We can also use the sequence function to get all the dates of 2025. We can say sequence and we want 365 days and the start option is 1 Jan 2025. And when you hit enter, you're going to get all the dates. As Excel dates are numbers, initially the formatting will be in number format. But once you select this entire range, if you press Ctrl Shift 3, you will see the date formatting applied to them. And here we have all the dates of 2025. How awesome is this? Wow, thanks to all the dragging, I almost have 6 packs on my fingers. Now what do I use them for? Well, you can always click the like and subscribe buttons. Do it. Okay, what else can we do with this feature? Oh, so many things. But let me show you my absolute favorite. So here I have got some products, discounts and their old price. As you can see, some products don't have discount on them, while others have 3% or 8% or something like that. I want to calculate the new price by applying a if formula. Here we can use this new behavior of Excel and calculate all the prices in one go. We say if select this entire discount column is equal to no. If there is no discount, then it will be the same as old price. Else, it will be old price times 1 minus discount percentage. We close all the brackets and hit enter and boom! We'll get all the calculations done in one go. You can see that, for example, this product here, $16.01, it remained the same, whereas this one is discounted by 6%. One final question. How do I add up all of these numbers? We can use the new spill operator to add up all of these things. Let me show you. This kind of a thing is called a spill range. When you have a formula that is spilling values like this, whether it is an if formula like this or our sequence formulas from earlier, we can use a special operator called spill operator to access the data. For example, I want to add up all these new prices. I can use sum of, and instead of selecting the entire range, I just select the top cell and then use the operator hash or pound to access the entire spill range. And I'll know what the total price is. Let's use the same with the sequence here. I want to add up all the 1000 numbers. I can say sum of and then B3 hash and I'll see the total of 1000 numbers right here. That is just awesome, man. Where do I learn more about these things? Here is a video that explains all the new and powerful features of Excel. Check it out. Go.